Hey, Maaa! Okay, so I think I'm ready to start gluing the initial ones. So they're kind of all lined up how I want. And I'm just going to go around, and the way I do it is I kind of put this around the wire, put some of the so that the wire is going in between, like this. The wire would be going in between there. And then I could put some glue to keep it in place. So now I have the tension keeping it there as well as the glue. Now, and I'll try to go around both sides. But I will go around the back when I'm done as well, but right now I'm just trying to get it to be initially stuck on there so I don't have to worry about it. And that's why I started it kind of like where a ridge was, because now that doesn't want to go anywhere, so I could keep moving around. I'll just put this here, but it's not glued yet. And so then, ooh, you put your, so I'm working on a piece of plastic here because it can get hot and could damage the surface you're working on, so just be careful. Hot glue guns are super hot, everybody knows that, but just in case you don't. And so then I just go to the next one. And like I said, usually I'll have these out and kind of in a row for me, but I'm trying to show you how to do it. Look at this mess. Be careful with all these little stringies too, because they can get to be a mess real quick. So then I just go to the next one and I do the same thing. Just want to make sure it's, sometimes I just wedge them all in place first and I go back around after they're all wedged in place, because then I can not make a big mess with the glue. I usually just flip the whole thing over, and I think I'm gonna do that because I don't want to deal with the glue. So I'm just putting a couple of the wedges underneath and some on top. See that? How it's not moving, doesn't want to go anywhere. Yeah, and then I just do the next one and try to get it in here so that these ones will be tucked underneath here, and then these will be kind of dovetailed with the spines of the one next to it. See that? And then it kind of wedges in. You could kind of manipulate them, push one of them down underneath, make sure. And it just makes this nice little kind of envelope that the wire fits in between. And that allows me to come back later and just glue in between without having glue showing at the top or having it just sitting on top like this. It's actually wedged in there and then glued into place. So, and I'm not worrying about like these little areas where the wire is showing, because I do have little pieces like this that I painted that could go in there, and that I will glue late. That's like the ending stuff. I have like little things like that, or smaller ones that can be glued there to hide the wire, you know. So I'm just going to go around and keep on putting all of these in place, and then I'll come back when it's time to glue them down. But right now I'm just going to wedge them kind of how I want them to be and see how I like it.